Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir, ma'am. I'm Rosemary Cantos, 42 years old. I'm married with 2 children and also a college graduate. We're 8 children in the family and I'm the 3rd child.
Do you have any experience as a domestic helper before? When?
Since 2009 and 2010
Where?
in Hong Kong.
So you have experience in Hong Kong before. What is your main duties in your last employer?
My primary duty in Hong Kong is to take care of the newborn baby, prepare her food, prepare her feeding bottles, taking care of her when she needs to bath.
So do you cook food at home?
Yes, I cook food.
Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
A little bit, but I'm willing to learn.
So why do you want to come in Hong Kong again?
I need to go to work in Hong Kong to earn money and to support my family.
What time do you go to sleep?
10 a.m., 10 p.m.
Do you mind share room with the children?
Yes, I don't mind.
Can you sing a song for us?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the sky so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
So do you have any message to your prospective employer?
To my prospective employer, please choose me. I'm a hardworking, honest, and obedient. I know how to take care of the baby and as well as do the household chores. I promise to finish my contract and not to give them any problem. Bye-bye and see you in Hong Kong.